Lanyards are super popular, and the question is, can you use the GoPrinter on the lanyard to personalize it? Because that would be cool. Let's test. First up, the ribbon of the lanyard itself. As you can see, the GoPrinter easily prints on it. Now, how far can you print with the GoPrinter? They say 2 meters. Can that really be? Well, let's test it. We use masking tape on a hard surface for the test and give it a shot. Let's see. Oh, actually it printed 2.1 meters. Good. So, print quality, good. Length of print, over 2 meters. But the guide is meant for singular prints, right? Well, let's just make a 2-meter guide. Why not? Fix the lanyard to a hard surface using double-sided tape and place a 2-meter odd solid piece of steel, aluminium, wood, or whatever you want at the back to create a guide rail. And then print away. But wait, hold on. Before we print, let's set the text on continuous printing. So, go to Print Set, Continuous, and make your adjustments. What spacing and how many repeats. I'm going to put it on 100 repeats. That should do for the 2 meters. Okay, and we are set. Let's do this thing. Oh wow, I love it when a plan comes to life. Meters of lanyard ribbon personalized in minutes. Thanks to the GoPrinter from am.co.za. Give sales a call for more information.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.